So you've basically taken yourself from a property 770 to now you're in a property that's valued at around 1.6.
Yes, that's right.
Such is the power of renovating.
Yeah, and it's been a great learning experience for me as well, and helped me really build up the confidence. And I think to kind of go back to how it all started, like, it's property ownership's not all sunshine and roses, like, especially on your own. It's hard to pay the mortgage and do all that stuff. But like, I've got a safe, secure, nice home now, and it's mine. And if anything happens with my job or things like that, I can rent it out and always kind of have it as something to fall back on. And it's definitely kind of not dependent on somebody else. When I first started and when all of that drama happened to me, I think everyone feels like it's the end of the world and you're never going to recover from it and you're never going to be able to kind of get back on your feet. But I guess it's not all been perfect, but this is really kind of proof that you will be okay and you can build yourself up. And it's always imperative to have that foundation and financial rock that you can fall back on and that only you are in control of.